When we talk about the crossover move, one name always comes to mind in basketball history: Allen Iverson. His crossover did not just break ankles, it changed the game forever. So, in today's video, I'm going to break down Allen Iverson legendary crossover step by step. And at the end, I will reveal the only player I have seen who could actually pull off the same move successfully. So, let's get started. The first key to Iverson crossover is the hesitation. He hangs the ball just long enough to freeze the defender. That moment of confusion gives him the edge. Second, the foot placement. Iverson steps his lead foot outside the defender's cylindrical area. That wide step forces the defender to react because it looks like Iverson is exploiting in that direction. Then comes the most dangerous part. Iverson shifts his body weight onto that foot. Once the defender is fully convinced that he is attacking, that's when Iverson snaps the ball across to the opposite hand. The defender is left completely off balance. Now, the secret behind of all this balance and repetition. Iverson stayed perfectly balanced through the entire move because he had practiced it thousands of times. That's why he could hit it on anyone, from rookies to legends like Michael Jordan. Now, here's the twist. I have seen many players attempt crossovers, but none of them could truly replicate Iverson's crossover. But except one, the only player who came close was Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant had the same hesitation, the same foot placement. He's the only one who mastered Iverson's exact crossover and made it part of his own game. And that shows you just how legendary this move really was. So that's why Allen Iverson crossover is still the best in NBA history. What do you guys think? Is Iverson the true king of the crossover, or does the Kobe deserve a spot in that conversation too? Let me know in the comments.